Hello and welcome to the PRINCE2 pre-course videos, and this video is about the progress theme. So the progress theme in PRINCE2 is about how we're going to monitor and control our progress in the project. This is clearly very important in order for us to know how we're getting on and, if necessary, be able to make some kind of adjustments in order to keep us on the plan. Relating to our process model, remember that progress is going to be happening during the delivery stages. So one or more delivery stages, we're going to be applying the monitoring and controlling that we need in order to track our progress. At what levels are we going to monitor? Well, we're going to start at the bottom in the work package, and that information will then go up to the stage level, so from team manager up to project manager, and we're going to assess our progress there. And then, as necessary, we're going to be passing information from the project manager at stage level up to the project board at project level. And this means then that the information flows from the bottom all the way to the top as far as progress is concerned. We can also see in the diagram there that the project board will be allocating tolerances or controls from their level down to the project manager, and the project manager down to the team manager. Notice right at the top we've got corporate and program, and they of course are going to be applying some kind of control onto the project board. That means there's good governance from within the organisation onto the project. As required, the project board will be reporting their progress of the project up to corporate as required. So the main things we're going to be looking at here in controls is that we have some kind of delegated authority down through the different levels. We're going to be, if necessary, dividing the project up into stages. This then limits the amount of, as we saw in the big diagram and the process diagram, we've got a number of stages. This limits the amount that a project manager can do, and generally the project board are going to delegate down authority to run a stage, one stage at a time. As you can imagine, this gives project board a lot of control. In addition, we will have reports. So reporting is a form of control, and that means that information from the team level will be flowing up to the project manager through some kind of checkpoint report. Project manager reporting up to the project board using a highlight report. These are both time driven, so they're frequent. Once a week, perhaps from the team manager, once a month, perhaps from the project manager up to the project board, as an example. There are also event-driven controls. So this may be as a result of a particular event occurring, such as an issue, or perhaps it's an exception. Then these would be reported as well. We'll also need to consider using tolerance. So we can use tolerance as a control. So if we give a team manager, let's say, a task, and we can put controls or a tolerance around that by saying you've got this much time, plus or minus, this much cost, plus or minus, deliver this much scope, plus or minus. So this allows us to delegate down that authority, but also keep control. And as long as the team manager can manage within those tolerances, then we're good. And there's no need for any reporting apart from the occasional checkpoint report, and the team manager then reporting if a particular event or an exception has occurred. Similarly, the project board will do the same on project manager at stage level. All of these controls will be summarized in the project initiation documentation under the controls section, and this will help everybody to understand how we're applying control to the project and what it means to them. So this was a quick look at the controls theme. You can use this video to help you with your revision on the course in preparation for your exams. Thank you very much.